Hi, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Andrew.
Hey guys, we're here with the long base again. We're gonna show the finished product with the bumper, the roll cage, and the rear seats.
Alright, now before you check out this video, we did a video previously on this with a full workaround. I'll put the link up on the screen somewhere. So go check out that video before you check out this video.
Yeah. So last time we did the video on the van, the bumper was unfinished. It was just in bare metal. And since then, I did the cutout for the fog lights because it was just looking too plain. So I decided, hey what, let me get the fog lights. I ended up getting the Suzuki Swift fog lights and I did the cutout and weld them up. I also did the grille in the satin black to match with the bumper. So you have a nice finished look. So last time we did the video, you also just saw the open tray alone with no seats. So the original seats it had before, those were rotted out. So the pipe frame, I bent them over and I designed them in a way that they could fold. So they could fold up if you want to use the tray. And the cushion for the seats, these were fabricated over as well. These were in, this is a marine leather. So for the rain, as it open, when rain falls, we're safe in here. So this is the completion with the roll cage, also painted in the satin black to match the bumper, grille and rock sliders. The basket rack, well, as I said in the previous video, is designed to hold storage for when the back is full with passengers. Well, I have the spare tire in here for now because I ain't finished the tire swing, but we'll get that done soon. The rails you're seeing inside here, this could detach, so the top, when you're inside, the top could be completely open, so you could have that proper, fun, soft top vibe. Another cool feature with the van is that this windshield could fold down.